Alright, this video is in reverse. I am installing new lock actuator motors in my driver's door. Alright. So this video is in reverse. So the motor fits in. There's two electrical connectors. They fit in nice and snug. Okay, the gear's in there. There's two arms that have to go in. This one goes in first. This bent one. It's got a little tab on the end here that goes underneath. And then up. Not as easy as it looks. There we go. And then you can twist it over. Then you put this gear in. This gear actuates this this switch here, and goes on that shaft. And then there's a pin underneath the arm that goes into that slot. Okay. So, and then you have to have the gear at a certain position for that to go in there. And it goes like that. Okay. Good. And now this arm, same thing, there's a little tab on here that fits into the slot on that. Get that on. And then this goes into that. Like that. Okay. Cover goes back on. Just gotta be careful of this piece here slipping into the right position. Kind of get that part in, and then worry about hooking it on here and here. There's two little like hooks. Okay, and that closes up nicely. And then we're going to screw it down. Okay. Very lightly, of course. Okay. Then there is an arm with a spring, and the spring you put, there's two tabs on the spring. Put one tab into that little hole, and then the other tab goes into the little hole on the back of this arm, like that. And then you slip that up and onto the shaft, and that should go rock back and forth. And we'll put a screw to hold that in. Okay. And then that works nicely. And the way to check it is there's an arm on this side, and this movement you can feel over there.